Hello friends, I am Krishna from RMK College of Engineering and Technology from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we are going to see about a new device called Posture Alert device. So before getting into the topic, I would just like to show you this picture. So this picture is taken from the famous movie called Nanban, in which actor Vijay would be telling every engineering student that we should be having an interest on what we are going to learn to some if we are going to learn something new. So I'd like to tell you that whenever you attend a class or when you get into your college, every day have the interest that you are going to learn something new today. This will definitely improve your concentration in your class and your productivity in your class. So, getting physically humiliated is one of the most painful things which is happening around the world. Some will be treated badly for their appearance, like they are bulky, or they will be having bad posture like this. And what is a bad posture? It's nothing but a person if he is bent down and is not upright, then the people will be criticizing about their posture. So apart from physical humiliation, uh, there are also many side effects present in this problem. The thing is that there may be back pain, neck pain, and shoulder pain, poor blood circulation in the body, and impaired lung function. Since because our lung is always contracted position, so because of that, such things can happen, and pain in weight-bearing joints such as knee joints. There is an existing device in the market which is called as Lomo Lift. I have seen this in Amazon and took pictures from it. So this device just intimates you about your posture periodically to the mobile app which is installed previously, and this is a rechargeable device. So as we can see that the device looks very complicated, and as for a budding engineer, this is very complicated to understand. So how about recreating it to a simpler version? The components required for this recreation is nothing but a flex sensor, a Arduino Uno, and a buzzer. What is a flex sensor? The flex sensor is nothing but a transducer which just sends the data based on its bending, and because of that some physical changes will be happening, and the changes is converted into electrical signal and is sent as the output. It has two pins. One pin is for power supply and another is for data outputs. And the next comes is Arduino, which is a microprocessor which is very user friendly, and the next is buzzer which just gives a alarm sound. So we are just going to assemble these things. So this picture is the block diagram of the connection. The flex sensor is connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino, and another output probe is connected to analog input A0. And the buzzer is connected, positive terminal of the buzzer is connected to a 5 volt terminal, and the data part of the buzzer is connected to the fifth terminal of the Arduino, which is the PWM port. PWM is pulse width modulation. So let's code the Arduino, which is the heart of the device. So I have declared three variables: flexes, flex data, and buzzer. I have initialized as A0, 0, and 5. This A0 is nothing but the data coming from the pin analog input A0 is stored in the variable flexes, and flex data is initialized 0, which will be using in the later part of the program. And next is the buzzer, which is connected to the fifth pin. As after initializing all these strings globally, we are moving into the void setup. This void setup is one-time initialization for the Arduino. In this, there is a command called as serial.begin, which establishes a serial connection between the Arduino and the analog device which is connected to it, which is nothing but the flex sensor. And we are going to train the Arduino about the pin mode, which is nothing but flexes and the buzzer. So flexes is nothing but the input sensor which is connected, and buzzer output. So we are just telling that these things are connected to the Arduino. void loop. The analog data, which is read from the flex sensor, is stored into flex data variable, as we have already initialized it in the global path. And the next is serial dot print flex value, serial dot print flex data, serial dot print ln. So these three things is nothing but printing the values which is coming from the flex sensor in the serial monitor. And next there are two if conditions, which is nothing but flex data less than 220. So flex data less than 220. If this condition is satisfied, it means that we are less than the threshold value, and which means that we are maintaining a bad posture. So because of this, analog write function gets executed. So which just turns on the buzzer. And next is if flex data greater than 220. So if the value is greater than 220, it means that we are maintaining a good posture, and because of that the buzzer should be turned off, right? So because of that the buzzer is assigned with the value 0, and there is a delay of 1 second, uh, which is used to avoid any errors occurring due to the overlapping of code. Thank you.